art friends here are going to draw a shark.
Yeah, we're going to make a folding surprise puppet shark. This is going to be really cool. We hope you're going to follow along with us. You need something to draw with. We're using markers. You also need some paper and something to
color with.
I almost did it for you. You ready to start?
Yeah.
We're first going to take the top edge of our paper and we're going to fold it down to the bottom, line it up with the edge, and then I like creasing it right down the middle and then out to the corners. Then we're going to take the top flap and we're going to fold it back up to the top or the middle of our paper and crease it down the middle and then out to the corners. Good job. Line it up. There you go. All right, now we're going to flip over our paper and then we're going to do the same thing. Repeat that same step. Take the bottom edge and fold it up to the top. Crease it down. Now we can take that last fold and unfold it and flatten it out, and then we're going to flip it back over. And the folded part should be up at the top. You don't want it like this. You want it like that. I'm going to put a scratch piece of paper underneath our white paper so that our marker doesn't bleed through our drawing paper and get onto the table. Now we're going to use our markers. We're going to draw a half circle on the top of our fold, and we're going to draw another half circle below so that we have a full circle. So we'll start over here and we're going to draw a half circle. It comes over like this and then back down. Looks like an upside down U. And you want to leave some room up at the top so that we can draw the shark fin. There you go. Nice. And we're going to start over here and we're going to draw another half circle or U shape underneath to complete our circle. Next, let's draw the eyes for our shark. I'm going to draw a circle on the left and a small circle over here on the right. Now let's draw a smaller circle in the top right of each eye. This is for the highlight. Now we're going to color in the big circle, but leave the little circle white. If we ever go too fast, or if we fast forward the video, what can our art friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, you can pause the video if you need extra time. Okay, now let's draw the nostrils on our shark. We're just gonna draw two little dots right in the middle of the eyes, in between the eyes. Now let's draw the top fin. We're gonna draw a upside down V. We're gonna go up and then back down. Now let's draw the side fins. We're gonna draw a curve that comes down like this and then back up. Looks like a curved V. There you go. And then let's repeat that same step over here on the right. Curve down and then back up. All right, Austin, you did it. You finished drawing a really cool shark, except we're not completely done. What do we still need to draw on the inside?
His mouth.
Yeah, his really cool shark mouth. And we're going to open up our drawings like this. You can flatten them out. And the first thing we're going to do is connect the top down to the bottom. He's going to have a huge mouth. And we're going to do the same thing on the right side also. And just draw a straight line, connects down to the bottom. Now we're going to draw the top of his mouth. We're going to start over here just below the fold. And we're going to draw a line that comes across like that. And we're going to leave space on both sides. Yeah, now let's draw the bottom of the mouth. We're going to draw another line down here that's close to the edge, close to the side, but it's above the fold on this one. Now let's connect the top of the mouth down to the bottom. We're just going to draw another straight line all the way down. We'll do the same thing over here on this side. He's looking awesome. What should we draw next?
His teeth.
His sharp teeth. We'll start over here and we're going to draw a bunch of zigzag lines. And I'm drawing really tall teeth so that he looks even scarier. Good job. Now let's draw the bottom teeth. I'm going to do upside down V's all the way across the bottom of his mouth. There we go. Now let's draw his tongue. We'll start right here and we're going to draw a U, the letter U, and I start it on the fold, the middle fold, draw it down to the teeth and then back up. Okay, now on the top of the U, we're gonna draw 2 bumps to finish the tongue. Now we're gonna draw his throat. Let's first draw a smaller U right here in the above the tongue in the middle. This is for that little punching bag right in the middle of your throat. On each side, we're gonna curve around and then connect down to the tongue. And then we'll do the same thing on the right side. Curve around and connect. All right, Austin, we did it. We finished drawing our sharks. They look really cool, except they're gonna look even cooler once we do what?
Color it.
Yeah, we need to color our drawings. This part we're gonna fast forward, but at the end, you guys can pause the video to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Austin, give me 5. You did such a great job on coloring your shark. Do you think he looks better colored in?
Yeah.
I think so too. Now we used gray to color the top and also his fins, but we should show our friends what's on the inside.
Yeah.
You ready?
Mhm.
3, 2, 1. Roar! I really like your fish that you added in the folding surprise. Now you guys can add fish or add other things. Maybe a hamburger. What else could they add?
Like more fish in his mouth or something.
Oh yeah, you could actually put fish inside of his mouth.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna turn this into a puppet. So let's fold it back up and you can hold it just like this. So you can fold the top and also the bottom. And then you can open and close your mouth. Yeah, like that. But to make it a little easier, I'm gonna take a piece of tape like this and you fold it over and I'm gonna tape your fingers down to the paper. This makes it easier. And then, yeah, flip it over and I'm going to tape your thumb down. Now I tape mine down too. That makes it a lot easier to hold it like a puppet. Rawr, rawr. We're gonna eat your fish. We hope you guys had a lot of fun following along with us and making your own shark puppets. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye. That's some tasty fish.